What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So last night was Electric Wednesday. I did not bring my GoPros with me, but I did let a bunch of people try the Chimera, and I got a little video that I put together with footage from my phone to show their reaction and their thoughts about the bike. So check it out.
Mine's 82.
Yeah, he's got it. What do you think?
Beautiful, huh?
Beautiful.
Super fun. What, I mean, 14, 15 pounds?
38 all in with the battery.
Start off is crazy. You like to pop a wheel with that thing. Hey!
You haven't touched the front end. Bars, nothing.
This little thing takes off for sure.
Yeah, it's quick.
Kind of scary off the lot. That's kind of sick. I like it.
Yo! I want to do some endos and some stoppies and shit.
You shouldn't have burned out.
It's fun, right?
It's a lot of fun. It's way more fun than the zoos, to be honest. Just because it's more proper BMX height.
Right.
Holy shit, that's awesome. And it's got giddy up.
It's got some
Definitely has
good.
some balls.
Yeah.
Sweet.
That's it. Thanks for watching. As always, make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.